What if I told you that the biggest thing standing in the way of your muscle recovery and strength after 55 isn't a lack of protein, and it's not even about lifting weights harder, but about what you take at night before bed? For years, we have been told to just add more magnesium supplements if we want to sleep better, recover faster, or support muscle health. And yes, magnesium is important, but here's the truth. Nobody talks about magnesium doesn't rebuild your muscles on its own. In fact, tens of millions of seniors spend money every year on magnesium powders and pills, yet they still wake up stiff, sore, and feeling weaker than the night before. Why? Because your body's nighttime repair system doesn't run on magnesium alone. It actually relies on a delicate partnership between two forgotten vitamins, taken in the evening, that trigger your body's ability to heal, rebuild, and renew muscle tissue while you sleep. This is the secret that world-class athletes, longevity researchers, and even centenarians in Japan and Italy have tapped into, supporting their muscles not with more protein shakes, not with expensive supplements, but with simple, overlooked nutrients that literally tell your body it's time to repair. Stay with me, because in this video we're going to cover 6 powerful secrets. The forgotten sleep vitamin that turns on your body's nighttime repair switch. The fat-soluble nutrient that acts like a delivery truck, moving calcium out of your arteries and into your bones and muscles where it belongs. Why magnesium alone fails without its nighttime partners. The surprising way these vitamins calm inflammation and boost recovery. How to combine them with food for maximum effect. And finally, the exact nighttime ritual you can start tonight to wake up stronger tomorrow. By the end, you'll see why magnesium supplements may have been giving you half the picture, and how 2 simple vitamins at night could mean the difference between muscle loss and muscle renewal. So let's dive in. Secret 1. Vitamin D, the forgotten sleep trigger. When most people think of vitamin D, they think of sunlight, bones, or immune health. But here's the shocking truth. Vitamin D also acts as a muscle recovery hormone. Studies from the National Institutes of Health have shown that seniors with optimal vitamin D levels have up to 30% greater muscle strength and recover faster after exercise compared to those who are deficient. Why? Because vitamin D influences how your muscles use calcium, the very mineral that allows them to contract and relax properly. Imagine your muscles as an orchestra. Calcium is the instrument, magnesium is the musician, but vitamin D is the conductor. Without the conductor, the sound is chaos. With vitamin D, the entire performance is harmonious, controlled, and efficient. Now here's what's fascinating. Vitamin D signals your body's genes to produce proteins needed for muscle repair at night. And that means if your vitamin D is low, your body doesn't get the message to rebuild while you sleep. It's like trying to run a factory with the lights off. Take your vitamin D with your evening meal, ideally one that includes healthy fats like salmon, avocado, or olive oil, because vitamin D is fat-soluble and absorbs best with fat. Within weeks, many people notice deeper sleep, less morning stiffness, and stronger grip strength. Your body finally gets the signal. Repair mode on. Secret 2. Vitamin K2, the calcium traffic controller. If vitamin D is the conductor, vitamin K2 is the traffic cop. And here's the shocking part. Without K2, calcium often goes to the wrong places, like your arteries, causing stiffness, calcification, and even heart problems, instead of going into your bones and muscles. A study in the journal Thrombosis and Hemostasis found that seniors who consumed enough K2 had 50% less arterial calcification and stronger bones and muscles than those who didn't. Think of calcium like cement. You don't want it spilled in the street, clogging traffic. You want it poured into the foundation of the house. Puri 2 tells calcium exactly where to go. At night, when your body is repairing, K2 ensures calcium gets shuttled into your bones and muscle fibers, supporting both strength and flexibility. Pair vitamin K2 with vitamin D in the evening. You'll find them naturally together in foods like grass-fed butter, egg yolks, and fermented foods like natto. Or take a combined supplement with D3 plus K2. Over time, you'll feel less joint stiffness, stronger muscles, and more stable balance because your body is literally rebuilding in the right places. Secret 3. Why magnesium fails without its partners. Magnesium has been marketed as the miracle mineral. And yes, it helps muscles relax. But here's the catch. Magnesium can't activate muscle recovery without vitamin D, and it can't direct calcium without vitamin K. 2. It's like trying to bake bread with flour, but no yeast. You've got the raw material, but no rise. Research in the Journal of the American Osteopathic Association shows that people with low vitamin D actually waste magnesium because their body can't use it properly. That means if you've been taking magnesium without D and K2, you may not just be wasting money, you may be stressing your kidneys and seeing no benefit. Instead of a standalone magnesium pill, focus on the synergy, a D3 plus K2 complex, taken with magnesium-rich foods at dinner like spinach, pumpkin seeds, or almonds, gives your body all the players it needs on the field. Suddenly, your magnesium works. You'll sleep deeper, cramps ease, and your morning energy feels restored. Secret 4. Calming inflammation overnight. Muscle soreness isn't just about micro tears. It's also about inflammation, and this is where the D plus K2 duo shines. Vitamin D lowers inflammatory cytokines, while K2 reduces oxidative stress in your blood vessels. Together, they act like firefighters putting out the smoldering flames that keep your muscles sore. Think of your body as a city. Inflammation is like small fires breaking out on random streets. Obvious. Magnesium is the water supply, but without D and K2, the fire chief and dispatcher, the water never gets to the right hydrants. Add an evening anti-inflammatory pairing, D3 plus K2 supplement, plus a cup of tart cherry juice or turmeric tea. These foods naturally boost your body's nighttime repair response. You'll wake up with calmer joints, less swelling in your hands or feet, and a greater readiness to move. Secret 5. Food pairings that supercharge recovery. Supplements are useful, but whole foods are powerful. Nature packaged D, K2, magnesium, and supportive nutrients together for a reason. For example, a dinner of wild salmon rich in D, sautéed spinach, magnesium, and a side of fermented sauerkraut, K2, is a muscle repair powerhouse. Add olive oil for fat absorption, and you've got a perfect nighttime recovery meal. Plan 2-3 dinners per week that intentionally combine D plus K2 plus magnesium foods. Instead of relying only on pills, your lifestyle itself becomes medicine. Your muscles get what they need in harmony, and you recover naturally. Secret 6. The nighttime ritual. The last piece is timing. Night is when your body does 70–80% of its repair work. That's when growth hormone peaks, inflammation lowers, and tissues rebuild. Your ritual could look like this. Dinner with D plus K2 plus magnesium foods. A combined D3 plus K2 supplement with that meal. A light stretching routine to signal relaxation. And light stretching routine to signal relaxation. Avoiding late-night sugar or alcohol, which disrupt recovery. Create a 20-minute wind-down ritual every night. Consistency is more important than perfection. After a few weeks, you'll notice a pattern. You wake up not just rested, but stronger, less soreness, more energy, better balance. So let's tie it all together. For years, seniors have been told, take more magnesium, but magnesium without its partners is like building without a blueprint. The truth is, your body needs a team. Vitamin D to turn on the repair switch, vitamin K2 to direct calcium traffic, and magnesium as the muscle relaxer. Together, they form a nighttime trio that rebuilds your body while you sleep. So here's my encouragement to you. Aging doesn't have to mean decline. Your body is always listening. If you give it the right tools, it will repair, rebuild, and restore, even at 60, 70, or beyond. Tonight, you have a choice. Will you go to bed missing the key nutrients your body craves, or will you try this simple ritual and see what changes by morning? I'd love to hear from you. Have you tried vitamin D and K2 at night? What results did you notice? Drop a comment below, because your experience could help someone else. And if this video gave you a new perspective, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend who needs it, and subscribe for more science-backed senior health tips. Remember, aging is inevitable, but decline is optional. Support your body the right way, and it will surprise you with just how strong and resilient it can be. I'll see you in the next video.